friends, today I'm going to share with you that how you can use vitamin E to make your skin bright, fair and smooth. So let's start the video. So first of all, we are making a scrub for our body to make it bright and smooth. For this, take 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then take 1 vitamin E capsule and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix all these ingredients very well. Friends, it will make your body soft, smooth, bright and fair, and it will also give a glow to your skin. If you want an instant body brightening, so apply it to your body and scrub it properly. Friends, with the help of scrub, your dead skin will be removed and a new layer will be generated by your skin, which will be fair, bright and smooth. You can also apply a moisturizer after scrubbing, and also you can apply coconut oil to your skin. When you scrub properly, then wash your body. For the second remedy, take 1 teaspoon of rice flour and then add 1 vitamin E capsule with it. After that, to make a paste, add milk, 1 teaspoon of milk, and then mix all these ingredients very well to make a smooth paste. Friends, we add rice flour with it, and you know rice flour has many benefits for the skin. It makes skin smooth, bright, fair instantly. So this is the second remedy of vitamin E capsule that you can apply to your body. But before going to apply, properly wash your body or your dark areas where you want to apply it, and then scrub it properly. After proper applying, then wash your body, your hands, legs, wherever you apply it. For the third remedy, take 1 teaspoon of multani mitti, then add 1 vitamin E capsule with it. Now add milk with it to make a paste. This is also one of the another remedy for glowing smooth skin. These all remedies are simple and easily you can make it. And these all remedies work like some magic. Friends, you can use vitamin E capsule in so many ways for the skin benefits and also for the hair growth. So you can apply any of the one remedy to brighten your skin or to make your skin fair of any part of your dark areas or any part of your body. So before applying it properly,